My name is Dekalb Muslim, and what I've been learning in the animation class is the 12 principles of animation.
So can you talk to me about your ball animation?
So what happens is my ball jumps from one side, and goes over here, then jumps back, and then goes over here, disappears, and then falls down here.
And can you tell me about a principle of animation, just one?
One principle of animation that I remember is squash and stretch.
Squash and stretch. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sydney Hudson, and we've been learning in class. What we've been learning in class is basically animation of how, basically frames and how to, if you want to become an animator, you can.
Hi, I'm Kalani Stone, and what we've been learning in CTAE is the 12 principles of animation. And what I'm working on is our bouncy ball animation. And basically the ball just bounces from each side until it ends. And one principle of animation is slow in and slow out.
All right, go.
Hello, my name is Jakari Bird, and in class we've been learning about green cars. Green cars are basically cars that run off of renewable energies like wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy, and others.
Hi, my name is Yolanda Mendez, and today I'm going to tell you about what I learned about building and taking apart the green car. So the tools we use are, one of them is a combination wrench. We use that to either put on or take off the nuts, and right now we're taking apart the car so that we can rebuild it.
Hello, my name is Caleb, and what we've been learning in CTAE 2 aviation class is we've been learning the history of drones and classification of certain planes and drones and different aviation devices. We've also learned some terminology of how professional of what professional would say. We also learned some aviation history, like Bessie Coleman and Amelia Earhart and the Wright brothers. And another thing that we learned is who the godfather of drones is, Abraham Kareem.
Hi, my name is Dakari Pittman, and I'm going to be talking about the drones. Aviation, basically. So in aviation, we're learning how to build a drone and learn how to fly it. For the first couple of weeks, we've been learning how to fly a drone and see how the drone works, and see how to build it and stuff.
Get us action. Right, that was good. All right, let's go. Let's get it again. All right, and action.
Hi, my name is Ibrahim NJ. RPSA is Link and Fighting.
Action.
Hey y'all, my name is Alexandria, and we're doing a PSA on mental health. Mental health can affect you physically and mentally because cut.
Camera speeding.
So it's gonna cause them to be even more feel bad for themselves. So it's what ends up trying to.
Look at that. We got we're not ready here.
There's only one of them. Huh? No, that's you're supposed to come up and say, hey, don't be ashamed, and I say there's only one. She did it already. There's only one.